Underneath the Eiffel Tower, the city of Paris slowly wakes up. The cold morning air sees the city lights fading into the soft hues of dawn. The first sunlight surrounds the tower and colors it with gold. It reveals itself to the morning scenery of the city that was hidden in the dark. Under the Eiffel Tower, the square comes alive with people enjoying Paris at midday. As twilight settles in, the Eiffel Tower glows like a golden dress against the fading light. As night falls, the Eiffel Tower transforms into a beacon of light, illuminating the Parisian skyline. The Eiffel Tower glows throughout the night, telling the timeless story of Paris to the world.